Thank you for joining us today for day 3. We are going to turn a mason jar into a glitter tornado. My friend Ray is here today, and she's going to help us make a glitter tornado. The first thing we need to do is pour water in our jar. It's a quart-sized jar, and it takes 4 cups of water to fill it. And it's best if it's a jar that has smooth sides and will end up with a 2-piece lid on it. So we're going to pour water till we get to the bottom of the ring at where you screw the lid on. That looks pretty good. Perfect. All right. So now we need to add 2 spoonfuls of dishwashing soap. It doesn't really matter what kind of dishwashing soap it is. It can be anything. But we need to make sure and put in 2 spoonfuls. That's 1. There's 2. Okay, now to help us see the swirling going on, we're going to put some food coloring
in.
Yep, let's do some food coloring.
It's blue.
It is blue. Now, how many drops do you need, Raylan? 2 drops. Okay. 1, 2. And you have to be really careful with food coloring because it can stain your clothes. All right, so the next thing we're going to put in so you can really see the water swirling around is, what is it?
Glitter.
Blue glitter. Go ahead and put some in. And it really doesn't matter what color the glitter is. There it comes. You kind of fill the whole top with glitter, don't you?
Yeah.
All righty. I think that looks good. Yep. Now we're ready for the lid. You got to start with the one with the flat piece. And you put the rubber side down. Yep. Yep, that's the side. Then go ahead and screw the lid on. Yep, you have to give it a nice, tight finish. Okay, next.
Now we have to test for leaks.
You're going to test for leaks. Yep, because we don't want to make a mess. Good job. All right, now we're ready to swirl it. Set the soapy water spinning by moving the jar in a circular motion for 5 to 10 seconds. Stop swirling and hold the jar up to a light or window and witness the awesome power of nature. When you swirl the jar, the fluid that's pressing against the sides of the jar spins faster than the fluid in the center. When you stop, the inner fluid keeps spinning while the portion against the sides start to slow. Meanwhile, gravity is pulling everything down. The result is a spinning spiral called a vortex. In a tornado, the vortex is set in motion by winds blowing in opposite directions. Check back tomorrow for a calendar challenge.